Hello friends. So shall we start exercise 2.9? Let us start. Now while solving this exercise, as usual, we are going to discuss all the problems and will solve up to particular level. But we are not going to solve, or I am not going to solve complete example till end here, that you have to do it. Time by time I will tell you to pause the video, solve further, and I will give you the answer. Okay, let us start with the first example of 2.9. So here is the first example of 2.9. X raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0. Now this is not a quadratic equation. Why? कारण याची डिग्री 4 आहे आणि क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन असण्यासाठी आपल्याला डिग्री पाहिजे 2. मग आता काय करायचं? सिंपल, आपण पहिल्यांदा एक्झाम्पल्स बघितले आहेत त्याप्रमाणे वी विल सबस्टिट्यूट सम डिफरंट लेटर फॉर x square. Okay, so let me take a equal to x square. By substituting this, I will get a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which we can solve by any method. That means we have seen 3 methods minimum of the solving quadratic equation. You can solve by any of the method. Okay, and you will get the value of a first. Okay, now pause your video and solve this and find the value of a. The value of a we get is 2. A is equal to 2 or a is equal to 1. Now this is not our answer. Okay, our answer should be in x. Now this equation, which we consider as the first equation, we will substitute the value of a and we will find out the value of x. So here we get x square is equal to 2 or x square is equal to 1. So taking square root of both the sides, I will get x is equal to plus minus root 2 or x is equal to plus minus 1. So ultimately our answer is x is equal to plus root 2, x is equal to minus root 2, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. So when you have the degree 4, you get 4 roots. Okay, so let's move to next example. The next example is example number 2. X square plus 2x, x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 11 plus 24, minus 11 plus 24 equal to 0. Now don't try to multiply the bracket and find out the answers. Okay, just by merely observing this, you can see that x square plus 2 are common. This term is common. So let us consider this term as a. So my a will be, or I can say substitute a is equal to, substitute a is equal to x square plus 2x. So this is my question 1. Now after substituting, what I will get? A into a minus 11 plus 24 equal to 0. Now you solve the bracket. Okay, so I'll get a square minus 11a plus 24 equal to 0. Now you can solve this by any method of the quadratic equation. So pause your video and solve this and find the value of a. So here A is equal to 8 or 3. A is equal to 8 or A is equal to 3. Substituting these values here in this equation, what we will get? X square plus 2x equal to 8 or x square plus 2x equal to 3. Transfer x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0 or x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now ultimately you have got two more quadratic equations which we have to solve. Okay, so when you solve this quadratic equation, you will get two values of x. When you solve this quadratic equation, you will get two values of x. Now pause your video and solve these two equations and find out the final four values of x. Pause the video now. The final values of x are 2, minus 4, 1 and minus 3. So your final answer must be in x. Don't stop here. Don't just stop here. You have to solve up to this. So now let us go to the third example. The third example, two into x square plus 1 upon x square minus 9 into x plus 1 upon x plus 14 equal to 0. Now in this example, we have x square plus 1 upon x square and x plus 1 upon x. So we have to write this or substitute this in such a way that we should get x plus 1 upon x at both the places. We have already seen the substitution formula. Let us apply that and we will get 2 into x plus 1 upon x bracket square minus 2, right? Here 9 x plus 1 upon x plus 14 equal to 0. Now we have two common things, x plus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x. We will substitute a is equal to x plus 1 upon x and hence we will get 2 a square minus 2 minus 9a plus 14 equal to 0. Let us open this bracket. 2a square minus 4 minus 9a plus 14 equal to 0 and hence we will get 2a square minus 9a plus 10 equal to 0. Now this is simple. Now pause your video and solve this to find a value of a. Pause your video now. A is 2 or a is equal to 5 by 2. Now you have to substitute this value in the equation 1. So we get x plus 1 upon x equal to 2 or x plus 1 upon x equal to 5 by 2. Now you should solve that and you will get the ultimate value of x. So here how you will solve? Again you will get a quadratic equation because I am cross multiplying this. So I will get x square plus 1 upon x equal to 2. So x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. So x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Similarly there you will get x square plus 1 upon x equal to 5 by 2. So x square plus 1 is equal to 5x upon 2. So 2 will come this side. So this will be 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x, and 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So solve these two examples or these two quadratic equations and find out the 4 values of x. Pause your video and solve these two quadratic equations now. The answer is 1, x equal to 1, 2 and 1 by 2. Let's go ahead and solve the fourth example. Fourth example is 35y square plus 12 upon y square equal to 44. Now, how you will solve this? Initially it looks like a quadratic equation because degree is 2, but it's not so. Y is the denominator here, y square. So first solve this. This will be 35 y raised to 4, or I am simply multiplying the equation by y square. So here I will get plus 12 is equal to 44 y square because I am multiplying to both the sides. So now I will get 35 y square minus 44, sorry, here I will get y raised to 4, 35 y raised to 4 minus 44 y square plus 12 equal to 0. The rest is easy. I will substitute a is equal to y square. So I will get 35a square minus 44a plus 12 equal to 0. Pause your video, solve this quadratic equation and find the value of a. Here a is 6 by 7 or 2 by 5. Now you will substitute this to equation number 1 and you will get y square is equal to 6 by 7 or y square is equal to 2 by 5, and taking square root of both the sides, what you will get, y is equal to plus minus 6 by 7 and y is equal to plus minus 2 by 5. Now when you solve this, these two, taking square root of both the sides, what you will get, y is equal to plus minus root 6 by 7, y is equal to plus minus root 2 by 5. So these are the 4 values of y we will get because our equation is in y, our answer you will get in y. So let us write the answer. Y is equal to plus minus root 6 by 7 or plus minus root 2 by 5. So this is your ultimate answer. Let us go to example number 5. Same example, x square plus 12 by x square equal to 7. I am not going to solve this example. This is very easy. First we will multiply both the sides by x square. So I will get x raised to 4 plus 12 is equal to 7x square. Now I will substitute a is equal to x square. So here I will get a square plus 12 is equal to 7a. So a square minus 7a plus 12 is equal to 0. First solve for a, then substitute those values in this equation and ultimately you find the values of x. Pause your video and solve this now. The final answer is x is equal to plus minus root 3 or plus minus 2. These 4 values you get after solving this equation. So shall we go ahead to example number 6. 6 is x square plus x x square plus x minus 7 plus 10 equal to 0. Obviously, I am going to substitute for x square plus x. So, a is equal to x square plus x. So, here I will get this is my equation number 1. So, by solving this I will get a square minus 7a plus 10 equal to 0. First solve this equation for the values of a and then substitute those values in equation 1 and you will get the, again I think you will get the quadratic equations and then you will have to find out the roots of that. So, pause your video, first find the value of a, then find the value of x and then let us see the answer. Pause your video and solve this now. Answer to this is x is equal to 1 minus 2 and minus 1 plus minus root 21 upon 2. Final answer is x equal to 1 minus 2, 1 plus root 21 upon 2, 1 minus root 21 upon 2. Let's go ahead. Seventh is 3x raised to 4 minus 13x square, 3x raised to 4 minus 13x square plus 10 equal to 0. Similar example, I am not going to solve this, you will have to solve this. First you will substitute a is equal to x square, substitute in this, so you will get 3a square minus 13a plus 10 equal to 0. Solve that example to find out the value of a and then substitute that in equation a is equal to x square and further find out the values of x. Pause your video here and solve this example. The ultimate values of x answer is plus minus 1 and plus minus root 10 by 3. This is your final answer. This should be your final answer. Check your sum or check your solution with this. Okay. Let's see the last sum of 2.9. The last sum of 2.9, that is 8 2y square plus 15 upon y square, 2y square plus 15 upon y square is equal to 12. How you will solve this? Very easy. First you have to, we don't want this denominator. So first I will multiply the whole equation by y square. So this y square will be eliminated. Then you will get the, let us do it. So I will have here 2y raised to 4 plus 15 is equal to 12y square. Rearranging and then substituting a is equal to y square. First you will get the value of y, first you will get the value of a and then substituting that value of a into this equation you will get the value of y's. Just pause your video and solve this example. The answer for this sum is y is equal to plus minus 6 plus root 6 upon 2 and plus minus under root 6 minus root 6 upon 2. So these are the 4 values of y, you get it here. Now here we finish the exercise 2.9. So just remember few formulas, substitutions. Till here the quadratic equations is easy. It is just a mechanical process. Okay. Now we'll move ahead to next topic, that is word problems in quadratic equations. Thank you.